A new chapter. Today is a special day, for it is a day you start another chapter in your book of life. As parents, we always know that one day our children will grow to need much more than we can offer. Now that day has finally arrived, and you have both found that special person with whom you want to share your love and your life. Someone who can make the sunshine in your heart, even on the cloudiest days, and someone who will fill the next chapter in your life with happiness beyond your dreams. Live the life you believe in, and you will have everything you need to reach those dreams. Just look into your hearts, and you'll find the strength in each other that will make each new challenge easier to face together. The close friends and families sharing this day with you all have memories very precious and personal to each of them, but would ask only this of you both. Always give the best of yourselves to each other, ask no more than you can give. Accept one another for the way you are. Share your time, your close attention, and bring joy, strength, and imagination into your relationship. Grow along with each other. Be willing to face changes as you both change in order for your relationships to live alive and exciting. And most importantly, love each other in good times and in bad, in the only way you know how, completely and forever.
True love is a sacred flame that burns eternally, and none can dim its special glow or change its destiny. True love speaks in tender tones and hears with gentle ear. True love gives with open heart, and true love conquers fear. True love makes no harsh demands, it neither rules nor binds, and true love holds with gentle hands the heart that it entwines.
Jos, I pledge that from this day
I will love you,
I will love you,
comfort and encourage you,
comfort and encourage you,
honour and respect you,
honour and respect you,
and be faithful,
honest and devoted to you,
as long as we both shall live.
Jos, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and commitment to you.
and commitment to you.
Wear it with love and as a sign of all we have promised and done this day. I'm delighted to announce that you are now husband and wife, and you may kiss each other.
I never expected to find love the way I found you, and I never believed in dating apps, but you were the first person that I matched with, and now we're stood here nearly 4 years later on our wedding day. I'm so proud of us. We've worked incredibly hard to build the life we're standing in, from late nights to early mornings, long shifts, dreams stretched thin and strengthened again, and through it all you've been my teammate, my encouragement and my much needed laughter.
I promise to be there for you every single day for the rest of our lives, to take care of you through thick and health, and one day take care of our beautiful family. I can't wait to start a family with you because I know you've been an amazing mum, as you're so kind, caring, supportive and loving. Jos, I love you so much. You are my best friend.
Oh, that's really sweet.
I done it myself as well.
Did you?
Yeah.
You had no help?
Self-help. From mum. Love you.
Take care of Jos, not because she needs you to complete her, but because she chooses to walk with you. That is the greatest gift a man could ever receive. And to my daughter, thank you for being everything good in this world. I see how happy Charlie makes you, and in him I see a man who will love you in all the ways you deserve. So to you both, may your love be louder than your fears, stronger than your doubts, and more beautiful with every day that passes. I wish you both congratulations and a long life, health, wealth and happiness.
Jos, I love you so much. Thank you for everything you do for me, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Now can please everyone will stand up and raise a glass to my beautiful wife, Jos. Cheers, darling.
Cheers, darling.
Cheers, darling.
Jos, that same unwavering loyalty is now yours forever. You two have already built something really special, a relationship full of laughter, support, and that understanding that makes everything feel right. But marriage isn't about being perfect, it's about choosing each other every day through the good bits and the ordinary ones.
But Charlie, I do want to say just how proud of you I am to have you as my brother. You're honestly one of my best friends, probably my best friend. And I'm so excited to see how this journey kind of unfolds and the happy life you'll have together.